You get a new crossover, shipped out right away.
Yeah, we got a new crossover.
People to do free mows.
Yeah, and what is it, like 1 foot by 3 foot? Or
it could be anything you want.
Okay.
It could be 20 feet, but it's got to be 2 foot at the end.
Okay, yeah. So like 2 foot wide?
Only in one section.
Okay.
It could be 6 feet.
I wanted to do a bridge scene. Like I want to do
beautiful bridges.
Yeah. I want to do like a swamp, like an old trestle over a swamp. What was it?
We did the N&W Steam bridge.
Okay. Yeah.
The trestle going over the St. John's River.
Okay.
One by
fighting with this one, and I said, I got enough of them.
You guys will probably think he's
High enough, I was like holding it here, and he's got his end over there, and I was like,
it's a new movie. It's just it's on TV.
and then I had the whole disc, so I was
Exactly.
in the left hand,
No.
and I was like,
The zoo is like New Zealand and Wales somewhere. Yeah. And they leads to a shoot everything. Detective. Eventually he's killed.
Open source, yes. It's all written. What I discovered was that that whole layout right there is a series of lines and stuff that all defined in a piece of HTML code, like a web page, to display that layout. Okay, sorry. HTML is every web page on the planet. HTML. Okay? And that's what they use to write that code, using Java as the
Double breakers on the bottom instead of at the top.
really good.
Yeah, because your license when you want them on, don't draw an inch, so they're not going to notice them. But if you put those big breakers down here, coming on your hot water heater, you see your light flicker and it's drawn in. And it passes right through all those little breakers. And I was explaining it to him.
Thursday morning?
Yep. See you then.
See ya.
So, you know, it's like, well, dude, it's going to cost $1,000 but it has to do it because the one, yeah, but the reason why is, now, we haven't had any problems, but apparently something at the top, rail, is going to be yeah, I mean, we haven't had the problem. I mean, we've had them sharp, but
back when those were put in, people weren't using all the electricity they are now. And so now they may not be popping a breaker, but it's pulling so many amps that it can't keep up.
Yes, the main breaker is only 125 amps. That tells you.
Yeah, that's what our house.
Most of them are 200 amps now.
That's what our house is. 125 amps.
Now
Now it's 200.